How to fix error 651, the modem, or other connecting device, has reported an error on Windows 7. Here are some methods that may help resolve the 651 connection issue. Method 1, restart your router/modem. Method 2, remove, using the recommended uninstall tool in this video guide, then reinstall router or modem drivers later. Method 3, reset TCP. /IP and flush DNS. Run these commands as admin. IP protocol configuration /flushdns and stat r netshare int IP reset c : /reset log.txt. Netshare winsock reset IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /flushdns IP protocol configuration /renew. Method 4, run network troubleshooter. Method 5, disable the auto-tuning feature in your system. Run these commands as admin. Netshare int TCP set heuristics disabled. Netshare int TCP set global auto-tuning level equals disabled. Netshare int TCP set global RSS equals enabled. Method 6, create a new dial-up connection. Method 7, re-register. rasp.sys. File. Run the command as admin, then restart your Windows, regsver32 rasp.sys.